Oh my gosh! Look at the Buddha! He's just fucking standing there! What a cunter! What a brave cunt! Hey Bird! Buddha, you're just standing there! Oh, just hanging out, eh? At Disneyland? Having a fun time? Oh, yeah bro! Yeah bro, just hanging out, eh? Oh, he's not even moving! Yeah, do you think he's awake? I think he's awake, oh bro! Oh, cunter! Hanging out in the sun? What the fuck? I'm waiting for my ice cream to be delivered. I ordered one about 5 minutes ago. So is it fucking turned on? What the fuck is this shit? All these people walking past and they don't even care. I'm stuck on this fucking island. I'm gonna fucking know here. What the shit is this business?